Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download Squoosh in your computer in a very simple way. Squoosh is Google's image compressor that reduces file size without losing quality. How you can simply download this app? Very simple. You have to come over any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and you can simply search for Squoosh. Simple. And here you can simply type as Squoosh download, click enter, and then you're going to get Squoosh from its own website. But so here you can simply click on Squoosh and you can simply drop your image and you can simply get it from here. But I will suggest you to come over into install options, click on install, and here is Squoosh over here. So right now what you can do, you can simply try an image. Like if you just click on it and click on download PC wallpaper, you can simply select this image. So I'm going to select on it and you can simply see how much it's differs. So if you want to resize it or maybe reduce plate, you can do a lots of things over here. And what you can simply compare its before and after with a very simple way to do that. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Squoosh in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.